Today at Hello Annie, I'm going to show you how I make my authentic German green bean salad. In German we call it Grüner Bohnensalat. Serve up those green beans a whole new way. The tangy flavors of the simple vinaigrette and the crunch of the green beans complement any meal and is perfect for potlucks. Let's get started. My beans are washed and simply snap off the ends of each green bean and then cut the beans into a half or into thirds. Bring a large pot with water to a boil over medium-high heat and add some salt. Once the water is boiling, add the beans and cook for about 15 minutes or until softened. Let's chop up an onion. We just need about half. And we're gonna chop that up finely. Okay, so the beans are now ready. You wanna remove them onto a strainer and allow the water to drain. Add your drained beans to a large salad bowl. The beans are still warm. Add your chopped onions. I'm using white distilled vinegar, 1/3 of a cup. And I'm also using a herb vinegar from Germany. If you cannot find it, you can substitute it with white balsamic vinegar. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of dried savory. And lastly, drizzle in the oil. I'm using a 1/4 cup of sunflower oil, or you can use any other neutral vegetable oil. And pour the dressing over. Mix it up really well and let the bowl sit at room temperature until cooled. Then cover it up with plastic wrap. Then cool in the refrigerator overnight for best results. Enjoy with some warm sourdough bread and butter, or as a side dish with your dinner. I hope you will like it as much as we do. See you next time.